Whether you're looking to buy or sell a house in Chicago, there's so much information out there that it can seem overwhelming. Depending on who you're listening to, you might feel like the market is going into a total meltdown, or that real estate prices will go to the moon because of inflation. If all of this is confusing, don't worry, we've got your back. We believe the best decisions are made using data, and everyone has an opinion, and although some may be right, it's really all speculation. So today, I'm going to share with you the Chicagoland real estate data to hopefully help you make your decision whether you're looking to buy or sell in 2022. I will also give you my opinion on what direction we expect the Chicago real estate market to go in 2022. All right, let's get started. The median list price has had a drop from its $297,000 peak in September of 22 to $315,000 in November of 2021. Although the median list price is declining, it is still well above the 2018 and 19 pre-pandemic levels. And this is what I believe to be the early signs back to normalcy. The year 2020 created such high level of pent-up demand that it detracted home sales from its usual seasonal trends. Now the move down in median list price is twofold: a return back to normal levels and the normal seasonal slowdown. And this is a great sign for Chicago real estate. The rapid price appreciation we saw in 2020 creates high risk, and a much slower appreciation of 2 to 5% is what's best for both buyers and sellers. A return to normal levels will make a stable market, and both buyers and sellers will have confidence in the purchasing price and the list price. Price decreases is the early indicator of correction in median sales price. For example, a home that is overpriced stays on the market, eventually needs to decrease list price to eventually sell. In a normal market, we expect about 30 to 40% of all homes to be overpriced, which will eventually need to decrease their list price to close. Notice, although we're at 45%, we are much more in line with our 2019 trend line. At the same time, we are seeing much higher showings per listing, much higher than 2018 and 2019. With record low inventory, it seems like it's taking buyers longer to find the right home. The total amount of homes for sale in the Chicagoland area is still at historic lows. We have a growing population and very little inventory of homes to choose from. Some analysts believe we will have an increase in inventory when the forbearance period is over. The increase in inventory will not be enough to crash the market, but will likely be absorbed by the high demand from investors and home buyers alike. And keep in mind, homeowners have benefited from the higher than normal appreciation and will likely sell before they short sell or foreclose on their home. Now, taking a look at the 7 to 90 day moving averages shows a move up from our lowest inventory in March of 2021. But our inventory levels are still well below both 2018 and 2019 levels. New listings in our entire MLS area are also slightly declining in the last months. Also a great sign that inventory is on its normal seasonal trend. New listings and seasonal inventory have peaked, but are still slower than normal years. The relist percentage is usually a signal to a bearish consumer. Homes that have gone under contract would be relisted if the contract is falling through. Home contracts can fall through for two common reasons: either inspection reports significant repairs, or consumers experience cold feet. They believe they might have overbid for the property. Notice a record low relisting percentage in summer 21 and an increase sharply since then. Most people want to know, what is the segment of the Chicagoland real estate market with the most demand? The market segment that continues to improve and have the most demand is the median price range of $264,000. It took an average of 42 days on the market to sell a home in that price range. Because we have had a very low supply of affordable housing, demand continues to be high. So if you're searching in that $250,000 to $350,000 price range, you will still experience higher competition than other price segments. You will still expect multiple offers on well-priced homes that are in great condition, but unlikely to see the white-hot demand of 2020. If we see a slight increase in interest rates, prices may have a slight dip in sales price, but the monthly payment will likely stay the same. And this is because home prices follow affordability and total monthly payment. We always recommend buying a home whenever you're financially stable and selling when your lifestyle changes. It is always a good time to buy or sell, and it is impossible to predict what will happen in the next 5 years. So we recommend buying or selling when it is best for you, regardless of what the market is doing. Like we mentioned earlier, we are likely to see very few changes in price for 2022 and demand to remain about the same. Like always, we recommend speaking with a real estate professional regarding your specific situation because location and price points vary, and understanding your market is what's most important when buying or selling. If you're in the Chicagoland area and would like to speak with us about selling or buying a home, we would love to hear from you. You can call, text, or email. I will leave the details in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time.